Hi there, I'm Robert Duzik, and today I'm very excited to show you brand new recorder from TASCAM. This is TASCAM DR-40XP. This is the upgraded version of the previous one, DR-40X. The main difference what the guys did is finally 32-bit flat. It means you can go and record extreme loud sounds and different difficult locations without worry and stress anymore about, am I gonna clip my audio, maybe damage, what am I gonna do with this thing? No more problems, no more worry about this thing. Just hit the record button and let this record do the magic and sound just come, and it's beautiful. Another things, major update what the guys did, they include right now the same microphone captures what they're using in TASCAM Capture X6. It means you're getting fantastic mics, and on top, I just find out they are used the same preamps what they're using in the premium version of the Capture X6. It means you're getting not only great unit for the less money, but you're getting fantastic sounding unit. So I think so it's worth it definitely to consider something. Another things for the guys upgrade is the USB-C port right now here. It means you can go and you can use this as an audio interface, easy to connect. But the way how I'm using, when I'm going in the longer session, I just bring my USB power bank and I just plug right here, and instead draining my battery when you place them right here, 3 AA batteries, I just use my rechargeable USB power bank and I can let this thing run for hours and having great sound. Another upgrade what the guys did and the change is the micro USB right now here. You can plug instead USB B card, you can plug the micro USB C card right here. And of course, that's a multi-track recorder. It means you can record up to the 4 tracks. You can plug additional 2 XLR inputs or your instruments cables right here, and you can get really multi-track recordings. I wish I would tell you more about this recorder, but I bounced to the one problem. When I get this recorder, when they sent me, and that was like a couple months ago, and that was one of the first unit, everything what's come with this recorder is in Japanese. It means I have no access to the menu. Yes, I can go to the menu, but everything is in Japanese and I can read Japanese. So I don't know how change any settings, nothing, but I know I want to present this thing to you and show you what I can get with this recorder. So what I did, I designed to take this recorder is what it is. I place batteries inside, put my USB card, and I go record the sounds, and I say, whatever's gonna come, this is what I'm gonna show you guys. So in the video, what you're gonna see, what you're gonna hear, this is the TASCAM without changing any settings. All I did, I hit record, and this is what I get, and I want you to be the judge, because this is the sounds what they come directly from this recorder. And yeah, I'm not gonna say anything more. Please leave your comment and then let me know what you think, and I can't wait to read them. All right, so enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next video soon.